Well, happy day, everybody. Look what time it is, you guys. It's explosion time. Dancing drums explosion. Okay, our mini, $10, the minor, $25, the major, $1,157, and that grand, $16,513. And of course, the explosion, $36,513. Not going to forget about the explosion. I have our very lucky $100 bill in there. Let's raise you guys up a little bit because I want you to see that pot. Lucky $100 bill in there. Let's get our volume all the way up there so we can start our explosion party. 588 bets is where it's at, you guys. You know, we need 3 of those drums on the first 3 reels. We really want one of them to be gold so we can get the bigger reels in the bonus. Our gold or our wild symbols will substitute. Come on. We can do this. That was a nice little hit there. Bumped us way over our $100. Nice way to start. How's everybody doing today? You guys doing okay? I'm having a fabulous day. Oh, here we go, you guys. Here we go. What are we getting? What do you guys think? Major? 1160? Why are we off kilter? I don't know. Uh-oh. Next one is deciding factor. $10 mini. This machine's got good sound, you guys. Okay, $13 altogether. Nice. We're up to 114. Oh, there's our red horn doggies. Love to see those all the way across. Candy dishes, 18. Guys, we are doing pretty good. We're holding our own. We just need to get those drums. Oh, there's our drum. There's our drum. And there's the wild. We just needed one drum there. Oh, nothing. I don't know why. I just felt like something was coming. I don't know why. Oh my gosh. 2 of them. 2 of them. So much flying up. So much flying up. Oh, 4 symbol trigger, or where was the doggy? Okay. All right, now it's getting ridiculous, you guys. The drum there, or the doggy there. Stop being a meanie tortellini. You're being poopy loopy. All right, what do we got? We want to hear bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, we're down to 42. Gosh, we started off so strong, you guys. And now it's just kind of gone wah, wah. It's just gone so cold. We're in a major danger zone. What is happening here? All right, $6. Okay. All right, 36. Maybe I take a little swig of Bigfoot here. All right, that helps a little bit. Takes us out of major danger zone. Can we build ourselves back up? Maybe with a bonus? Could have been a really nice 4 symbol trigger. Come on, bring us back up. Come on, explosion. Okay, 14. Okay. Good, you guys. We're Rudy Tooty. What is this? $18? Okay. Aunt, you got it. You got this. Don't disappoint everybody. Couple more spins, you guys. Come on, yellow gold drum, whatever you are. Oh my gosh, it's disappointed me, you guys, which means I have disappointed you. You guys know what I'm reaching for. All right, we're keeping it the same. We're not changing anything about what is happening. Even though, hopefully, it will start changing its mind about what it's going to do. Come on, explosion. Explode all over us. Make your drums go. Have we even been teased, you guys? I don't know if we've even gotten teased yet. Okay, 36, good. Oh, what happened there? I don't know what happened there. Well, obviously I did something in error. I know the machine ain't gonna do that. Come on, give us a boom, boom, boom. $12 in boats, okay. What is it waiting for, you guys? Is it waiting for $10? Do I dare? Oh, this isn't very smart, though. Why would I go up in my bet when it's not doing anything for us? Well, we'll give it a shot. Oh my gosh, boats would have been nice. Oh, that sounded just, oh, that was wonderful sound. Okay. Major grand explosion. I think we can upgrade. Yes. We're upgrading, you guys. All right, $50 miner. Nice. Better than 20 mini. Ant is happy. And a little extra there, $60. Now, give us those 3 drums. Ant's being real greedy. He's betting a big bet. Come on, machine. Oh my gosh, 2 gold drums. Okay, I'm going back to 588. This is ridiculous. Just not getting anything. Oh my gosh. The last spin bonus, you guys. And it's upgraded. And it's upgraded. Will you guys be really mad at me if I go over here? My butterfly ring is saying to go over here. I'm doing it. Oh, this. Don't ruin yourself, Ant. Oh, we got upgraded, you guys, by 5 games. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, we got some doggies. 108. Okay. We got 15 spins, you guys, at a higher height. Maybe we can get some re-triggers. Oh my gosh. 288 stop it dollars, you guys. Oh my gosh. Hey guys. Oh my gosh, that's so bizarre. Oh my gosh. I was really panicked about how many hundreds I went in there for, you guys. Woo-wee. Oh man, sometimes when I lose my mind like that, you guys, I don't even remember how many hundreds I'm even in for. Is it 3? Is it 4? Is it just 2? I don't even know. Okay, we're not done. It's not over. Why are you thinking it's over, Ant? Keep going. Keep this train going. Come on, Ant. Get some re-triggers. Get the red horn doggies all the way. Oh my gosh, just one more calling them up. That was $100 though right there, you guys. Oh, just think if we had them all the way across. We're over $500. Come on, get that drum. A little bit of boats there for 12. Oh, I'm so excited. Yes, there it is, you guys. Do we have dogs? Oh no, we're missing the second reel of dogs. But we got our re-trigger. Still big games here, guys. Still big games. Still big games. Come on, red horn dogs. Oh my gosh, we got 4 of red horns. Okay, oh, it's only 36. Okay, I'm sorry. Calm down, Ann. Center yourself. Calm down. Calm down. Okay, we need to hear drums again. 3 more spins. We're at 650. I like to whisper it. Oh, the red doggy on 1 would have been fabulous. Last spin. That was so weird. Oh, so close. So close. Unbelievable. Look at that. $2 left, you guys. $2 left. That is such a beautiful sight, you guys. Such a beautiful sight. That bonus was $676. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. 676. We now have 678 in the machine. Let's see if it's got a backup in it. Backup bonus, maybe. Or maybe it's got the major or grand in it for us when it closes that pot lid. If I can get to 700, you guys, I'm cashing out. If I can get to 700 or beyond. Oh, there's that. Why you gotta be like that? I'm gonna bend you guys down a little bit so you can kind of see the pot lid again. And get you guys closer in at the screen. You don't need to be so far away. You need to be in at the action, you guys. Action Jackson. It doesn't even rhyme. I don't know why I said that. Is that a name of a movie or something? I don't know. Okay, give us a bonus. Give us a bonus. Give us those 3 drums, please. Three drums? 3 anything? Anything? No, you gave me 3 of $3. That is not enough for another spin, you guys, and I'm not taking it down any lower than that. I'm cashing out with 600. You guys know how much I put in. I don't remember how much, but I think it was a lot. That's right. I kept waving the hundreds, and then I said, I'm not. Yeah, it was 400. I have to. Yeah, we're taking money. Yep. Cashing out. 200 profit, you guys, and we saw a fun bonus, or maybe 2. You guys, my mind is way off right now. No, we only saw 1 bonus, right? Anyway, we saw at least 1 bonus. Yeah, just 1 bonus. That's right, because I just had to keep putting money in. I just pumped this thing full of money. That's right. You guys, have yourselves a fabulous day. You know I love you lots. Thank you so much for watching. Until our next video, take care of yourselves. Bye, you guys. Collect. Ooh-wee. I feel like I ran a marathon for that money.